Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian Daniel and friends. We're in Mercury retrograde, so hopefully my words will come out. And so before I get started, please check out down below. All my workshops and upcoming events are down there. We've got the Enchanted Forest, which is in person in Skamania, Washington. I have another channeling workshop, the Deep Light, Medium, and Deep Trance States of Channeling. That's coming up at the end of September. And we've got Egypt, we've got Iceland. I think I remembered most of it anyways. Go check it out. Links are down below. Lots of things coming up, more things on the board. So keep watching. If you're interested in doing any of the events that I participate in or any of the online journeys, please check it out. That being said, let's go find out what Daniel has to say for the energies going on right now. All right. We like to invite all of you to just be in this energy with us, be in this time with us, to understand that there are great things happening all around you all the time, to remind you to stay in the most positive of energies that you can. We understand that you are in a world of duality and you are experiencing these dualities, and we encourage you to find the most loving responses you can to whatever is going on in your life. And for some of you, you are making some extreme changes in your life. You are really taking that leap of faith. You are moving into something new, into something magical for you. A lot of you are stepping into your next level of who you came here to be, and you are finding the joyous ride in that. For many of you, it's been a time where you have been feeling like you're sitting still, like nothing's happening. What am I supposed to be doing? I can't just keep going this way. Life has no meaning right here, right now. It's just not doing anything. Why am I here? And hopefully now that is turning its corner. You were in that chrysalis, evolving and downloading and integrating information, DNA, structural changes, cellular structural changes, waves of energy coming in, swooping through, and knocking down things along its way, right? Like things that are no longer part of your path or no longer necessary in your path are starting to fade out and move away if they haven't already completely just vanished. You might find yourself reconnecting, restructuring, relooking at. People that have been in your life in the past might be coming back into your life for messages, for synchronicities, for whatever reasons they're there. They are there for a purpose. You are there for a purpose for them and them for you. And so welcome these kinds of things into your life. Trust your gut, trust your feelings. We're not saying everyone that tries to come back into your circle should be allowed. And that could be something that your higher self designated for you to test your boundaries on that. So trust your heart, trust your boundaries. If someone comes in and you feel welcoming, welcome them in. If someone comes back and you are feeling the walls of resistance go up, trust that and apply those walls. You are all doing such a great and amazing job. There are so many things going on in this world that are opening doors and closing doors and shuffling doors, and opportunities are here and then they're there and then they're over here. Maybe they come and then they go, and you are just going with the flow of it. That is what we ask of you. Go with the flow of it. There are so many changes happening and so much rapid manifestation happening in this energy right now. You all made it through the Lionsgate portals of energy, manifesting, creating, evolving your minds, expanding your minds into the next level of whatever it is that you needed to know. And as you are moving through these energies and integrating this knowledge and creating this great remembering, you are seeing the earth change around you. Your evolution and your understanding of the world is creating a new reality for you and your personal reality and evolution. And in that is the ripple effect of how it helps humanity. As you continue to strive forward to be the best version of yourself you can be and to love yourself through this process and bring yourself into better alignment with your higher self, your purpose, and all the things that you want to experience and do here. You help humanity. It ripples out, it ripples out, it ripples out. Wouldn't it be an amazing world to live in where everybody did what it took for them to be happy? Because in reality, to be happy, it doesn't take much. When you start to realize that the things that you are doing in your life are to create an emotion, it's to create a feeling, it starts simplifying, doesn't it? Why do you want to win the $1 million lottery? Not because I get to have a bunch of money in the bank and I can buy whatever I want. Well, what do you want to, when you buy whatever you want, what does that do? Well, it makes me feel happy. I feel secure when I have that money. I feel safe. I feel like I can breathe again. I feel like I have freedom now. Feelings, 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 feelings. So as you start to break down, how do I want to feel? How do I want to experience this day? It gets very simple. You no longer have to think outside of the box of what it is that's going to create that. What do I have to do to create the feeling of love and joy and family and feeling heard and seen and valued? You just start creating and asking the universe for that, and then just enjoy the ride and see where it takes you. Take your mind off of striving for this and striving for that, thinking these are the things that will get you to that feeling. And they might, and that might be still the answer to the question to the universe. But why not just put it out to the universe today? I would like to feel very loved. I would like to feel joy come into my life. I'd like to feel love come into my life and abundance come into my life in joyful ways. And see what happens. See how the universe returns that request for you. See, the mouth wants to move and the words don't want to come out right. So we encourage everyone to just play with this energy right now. Visit that longing inside of you. What is it that you want to create? What is it that you would like to see happen for yourself in the way that you feel in that moment? And see how the world around you starts to open doors and offer you certain things that create these feelings. It doesn't mean to stop working at your goals and what it is you are aiming for and what it is you are working at doing, but just make sure you are doing that with the best version of yourself you can. Make sure that you are staying in your integrity, that you are honoring yourself, your word, and what it is you are doing. That at the end of the night, when your head hits that pillow, you go right to sleep. There's nothing else you need to think about. Everything is in alignment. You are in alignment. Moving into divine masculine, divine feminine. Many of you are out there exploring relationships that feel very intense, that could be referred to in your terminology as a twin flame. Someone who is mirroring back to you yourself. Someone who is mirroring back to you your pain. They are your triggers. Yet you are so strongly connected to these beings, this other person. It is unexplainable to many. If they have not experienced it, you may not be able to explain it. But you have something very deeply to experience with this other being on this planet. And you know that structure will rapid fire you through much more of this ascension process if you do the work. And as you move forward in that, and as you are combining your energies together, and as you are working together, and you know how you want to feel, and you are manifesting that, and you are healing the parts that don't feel that way, you are healing the parts that are unworthy, you are healing the parts that feel unloved, you are healing the parts of you that feel left out and pushed aside, unseen, unheard, unvalued. Heal those aspects of you. Heal the traumas in you from the different and many different scenarios throughout your life. Heal the trauma within the land, heal the trauma within the vortex of energy that it was created in. Heal it on all the dimensional levels that you can. All time, all space, all dimensions, all realities, all versions of self, in every part that was ever played in all the lifetimes you've ever lived in this world. And may that imprint on the earth itself also be healed. And with that, we say to you, we will keep it short today. We thank you so much for letting us be a part of your journey and for being a part of ours. We thank you so much for the great manifestations of joy that you are creating, and that you find ways to get in that childlike playfulness, and that you find ways to answer the calls of your heart. With great gratitude, thank you. Okay, wow. Even though that doesn't feel like it was very long, it felt like it was very impactful. My head's still kind of groggy. Thank you guys all for being here, and whatever journey you are on, may you find your joy, may you find your bliss, may you find your healing and everything that you are looking for in this journey. This is your reality. Create it. Create something beautiful with it. Don't forget to click like, because that's my reality. I would like you to like my video and maybe even comment. And if you're new to my page, please subscribe and hit the little bell so that you can get notified when I post videos. Thank you guys very much. Love you all. And until next time, bye-bye.